Okay, we're going to do a quick test of this Cape Cod metal polishing cloth today. I've got my stainless steel watch. It's got some scuffs right here on the side. You see in this high polish area. You can quite see that. Try and turn it in the light. Right there. It's the port that sticks out the most, so it kind of picks up some scratches and, scuffs. And I've got one here on the lug. I think on both sides, so I'll show you that. Then the center link of the bracelet, it's just kind of got little small scratches, but the main reason I wanted to clean up is right here on the clasp, right where it closes. I've got some scuff marks there that are a little more serious looking, at least to me. And you can see right there. So we'll see if we can clean those up. Now you just grab these cloths. They come two inside this pack, and you're going to want to read the directions first. I'm sure we always save that for after we're done with the project, right? But there is something in there about it. You shouldn't use it on brushed stainless steel. So you'll probably want to check, a small inconspicuous area on your watch, maybe the back of the band if you have some brushed metal, but they say not to use it. And you probably want to put on some gloves if you have sensitive skin. Otherwise, you just grab this cloth. It's cotton and it's pre-moistened, and you just scrub away. The harder and longer you scrub, the probably more beneficial results you get. But we're just doing a quick test here. Just really kind of hitting these spots that I showed you and the center band. We'll get this spot on the clasp. This was the biggest spot, I think, to kind of get an A-B comparison. So we'll just take this and you just rub away. And it's got a kind of a vanilla smell to it. It's not overly chemical smell. It's kind of sweet, but not overpowering. And you can see, look at the cloth. It's already turning dirty just from that little bit I've done. And the watch looked pretty clean heading into this. Like I said, I was just kind of picking up those spots to really kind of do a quick test. So we'll just grab the center link here and head on down. So now I've gotten everywhere, and that's about it. Just hit that spot one more time. Make sure, since that was the worst. Then you just grab a microfiber cleaning cloth and buff it off. You can't rinse it with water or anything. It won't come off that way. You need to take a microfiber cloth or a paper towel and get in there. I've got another spot here I just noticed right next to the logo, on the left of the logo of the crown. And that one is brushed a little, so I'm just going to kind of hit it lightly and see if we can get it to go away. It looks like, kind of just hit the crown on something, dinged it or whatever, so it just has a little scuff mark there. But yeah, so you just take your microfiber cloth and you can't, like I said, rinse it with water. You need to hit it with a cloth or paper towel. And you want to make sure when you're doing this to try and keep it out of your bezel area. You wouldn't want the product to get in there and kind of dry because, again, you can't really rinse it off to go away. It might foul the movement of your bezel. So just be mindful of that. And see now how it turned out. It looks pretty good. That's shiny. It definitely will give back some luster, even if it doesn't get out scratches. It's not going to get out major scratches, but small, fine scratches and little scuff marks. Looks like it did a pretty good job. See a little bit still there, but not bad. That part is a little more brushed too on the top, so I didn't hit it as hard. But the center link looks good, and definitely the sides. Yeah, the little spot there is still there. But yeah, not bad. That's great. Like I said, $6 for those two cloths, and they're reusable. You reuse it until it disintegrates, it says. So I barely put any use under that pad just from giving this a quick once over. And that turned out real nice. Look at that. Those scuff marks are pretty much gone. Got some scratches still there just above the logo, but those were a little deeper. But your everyday scratches that you pick up from this being on the bottom side of your wrist, resting on tables or desks or whatever, that came out real nice. Definitely real shiny. Yeah, not bad at all. Let me get you a close-up shot. You can see definitely really, really nice. I mean, you can see the spots there still, right on the in the middle. But boy, it cleaned up real nice. I mean, I didn't even think it was that dirty, and look how shiny it looks now. Not bad, not bad. All right, still got that little scuff mark to the left of the J in the crown logo. You see that? So it's still there a little. It looks like it cleaned it up a bit. So maybe I could apply some more pressure to do a better job. But not bad for a quick over. This is the first time I've used this product, so center links definitely look nice and shiny. And those have those little fine scratches just from normal everyday wear. But look at that. That's the real AB. Was the clasp here that was the worst. So like I said, you see those scratches on the clasp itself, but everything else on the buckle looks good. Yeah, that turned out nice. All right, so if you're interested in it, it's a Cape Cod metal polish, and this little foil pack, it's got 2 polishing cloths in there, and like I said, it's about $6 or so. You can find it on Amazon, or I think they're available at Ace Hardware stores as well. So not bad. So good luck on your project. Let me know how it goes.